Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to block an IP address from accessing your website on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to block people or visitors from accessing it using IP address, click on Manage. Now go to Security, then scroll down to IP Blocker, and next to it, click on Manage. Now click on this Block IP button. A new window pops up. Here, you can enter an IP or an IP range. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. A new window pops up. Here, you can enter an IP or an IP range. A single IP. This is an example of a single IP. And this is an example of an IP range, which means a full IP, the starting IP, and the closing IP, which means from 1 to 5, it will be blocked. And this is another format that you can use for the IP range. Here, it will start from 0 to 24. Here, for this video, I will block my own IP address. I don't know it, so I will use a website to get it. This is the website I will use. This is the IP. Copy it like that. Paste it. Now click on block. As you see, you have successfully blocked this IP address. Now let's try to give this website a visit. As you see, you don't have permission to access this resource. Now, if I remove this IP block, like that, click on delete, delete again. Let's give it a try, and now I can access my website. And this is how to block an IP address from accessing your website on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.